Hi everyone, my name is Tony Tabona from the Alpha Signals. I'm here to trade one of our VIP signals. In our group we have VIP signals that are sent to the group in advance. All our signals are sent in advance, and we have a signal right now that's coming up in exactly less than 1 minute. So I'm gonna be teaching you how to trade our signals, and all our signals are traded with the use of this alpha zones indicator. It's an MT4 indicator that we use together with our signals. In other words, with taking our signals, and we have an entry of a signal that's starting right now in just about a few seconds. Now, one thing that I want to say about our indicator, the alpha zones indicator, by the way, it's available on our Telegram group. The link to our Telegram group, it's right at the bottom. You can join our Telegram group and then go to the files folder and you'll find this indicator. It's available for free. So this indicator features two things: the red zone and the blue zone. These are the main features of this indicator. So when the market is in the blue zone, it's most likely to go up. When it's in the red zone, it's most likely to come down. And the rule or the principle is as simple as that. So right now this trade just started, and it's running in the money because it's a call option at 145. I didn't take the trade simply for the reason that it's already 2 candles in, from the blue zone. 2 candles. The trade started here, and I don't have the confidence to have taken it in that position because it's already left or too far from the blue zone. I would want it at the blue zone so that I really know from that position it's a confirmation or something I've got more confidence in for a call signal. So for this reason, I'm not gonna take the trade. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna hope that the market comes down to this position, to this previous support, because that's the same previous support that we have here, and so it'll either be to the same previous support or possibly this position right here where it previously reversed. So for me, it is winning so far, but I'm not gonna take it unless and only when it's meeting the conditions of what I want to see. So if it does win, it doesn't matter. One thing I like to encourage traders is that don't be in a hurry for signals. Don't be in a rush to put your money in. Always wait for the opportunities that you personally feel they meet your conditions. So there you go. It has finally met the condition or the position that I wanted. And I'm a bit late because I'm explaining this video. I'm gonna take the trade in that position right there, in this last 3 minutes. Notice that the signal started at 145, but I never took it at 145. I only wanted to take it at a time or at a condition that I feel it suits my trade, and that's exactly what I've done. And as you can see, I'm losing the trade. I'm losing the trade simply because I probably took it on an entry that I should have waited for the next one. Only when the signal is over will I be able to tell whether I won or I didn't win. But the safety of this trade right now is that I took it on that lower position, which is safer for me, because remember the entry of the trade, it's right here. So I'm just gonna draw that entry. That's where the entry of the trade is, and I took it at a much lower position, just to be safer. So let's see if I'll win this trade. If it closes above this line, I'm safe in the money, but the actual trade would actually be up here, so it could win with my entry but lose as a trade. So let's see what happens. I'm now slightly in the money. Again, it's simply because I took it on a safer position, which was right there at the bottom. So so far it's looking good for me. It came and bounced back again on that blue zone area, where the market went to the lowest position, and it has been a safe net for me to have taken it in that position. So let's see what happens. I'm still safe. I still have at least another 1 minute 15 seconds to go before this trade closes, and it's coming back to the actual entry. It is sitting on the entry, so I'm going to take the trade again now on the official entry of the trade, you know. So I'm just taking a chance. I'm just gambling on the fact that I know that I'm safe in this lower call at the bottom, because that one, if it loses, at least I'm only losing this 4 cents. But the way I'm seeing the market right now, the way it's pushing up, it should actually win as an entry from here. But because I took it lower, you know, that lower gives me a better support, you know, which that one and the actual entry, if that entry wins, it means this first entry of the trade has won, and I've taken it in that right position, which I never took in the beginning, because at that time the market was not in a good position. So let's see what happens. Again, this was just me trying my luck. I'm confident with the lower position that I took the trade, and I'm just trying to see, you know, what will happen with that upper position, you know, where the actual entry is. And it's looking so good for me. In about 5 seconds the trade should close, and that's it. I'm in the money with that trade. Double entry, nice clean ITM. So that's it, guys. I don't know how much more I can explain how to trade our signals, but someone could say this was luck. Well, you could say that, but again, it was all market calculation. It was all analyzing the signal and seeing the behavior of the candles, but more than anything, trading according to the golden rules of the alpha zone indicator, because that's exactly what you use to determine the right position, the right entry. Before I forget, I just want to say this: our signals are sent in advance. So I knew exactly at 1:45 there's going to be a call on Euro USD. So instead of me just entering the trade, I want to say this: you've got a window of 15 minutes. So that window is basically right here. Let me just try and highlight it. So from 7:45 to 2 o'clock. So this space right here, it's the 15 minutes that you have to take a trade. So in other words, you're gonna have it from 1:45 to 1:50, and then you're gonna have it from 1:50 to 1:55, and then you're gonna have it from 1:55 to 2 o'clock. So you've got 3 positions, or 3 positions would be the right word. So you've got this first entry, that second one, and the third one. Our signals are based on a probability that within 15 minutes, one of these 3, you know, is going to be the right entry, and 80% of the time one of these 3 is going to win. It's a matter of you waiting to see whether it's going to be the first one, the second one, or the third one, but one of them will win 80% of the time. So based on you knowing which one is the right one, that's where you now come to the alpha zone indicator to see which one meets the conditions. What are the conditions? A call can only be taken on the blue zone, and it's nicer or better if the call is taken on a blue zone that already has a previous support, which is exactly what happened in this trade. So with that brief explanation, I don't want to make this video too long. I hope that you understood something. I'll continue to make more videos like this. Please subscribe to our channel. This way you'll be getting updates of upcoming videos, and this will help you to understand how to trade our trades, our signals more and more. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you are new to this channel, please click on the link below so that you could subscribe, you could join our Telegram group. That's where you'll see more of these signals. We give 3 free signals every single day, including the weekend, you know, because we have OTC market signals as well. So click on the link below, subscribe to our channel, join us on Telegram, and meet you on the other side. Thank you so much, guys. I look forward to another video.